So we talked all night about the rest of our lives, where we're gonna be when we turn 25. I keep thinking times will never change. Keep on thinking things will always be the same. When we leave this year, we won't be coming back. No more hanging out 'cause we're on a different track. And if you got something that you need to say, you better say it right now, 'cause you don't have another day. 'Cause we're moving on and we can't slow down. These memories are playing like a film without sound. And I keep thinking of the night in June. I didn't know much of love, but it came too soon. And it was me and you, and then we got real blue. Stay at home talking on the telephone, and we would get so excited and we'd get so scared, laughing at ourselves, thinking life's not fair. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever, we will still be friends forever. So if we get the big jobs and we make the big money, when we look back now, will our jokes still be funny? Will we still remember everything we learned in school? Still be trying to break every single rule? Will little brainy Bobby be the stockbroker man? Can he ever find a job that won't interfere with pretend? I keep thinking that it's not goodbye. Keep on thinking it's our time to fly. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever, we will still be friends forever. Friends forever.
Say something.
I miss you, Emmeline. I hope to meet you in the future.
Don't cry, Sister Asma.
Thank you. I will miss Emmeline too much because I like her too much. And I like her way, I like her voice during delivery. Sometimes I am sleepy when I am doing deliveries and she says, Yalla, 1, 2, then I awake like that. I will miss her.
2, 3. Okay, Doctor. Message for Sister Emily.
Happy birthday, Oli.
Masalam also.
Okay. Sister Evelyn, all the best.
Emmeline.
Sister Evelyn, all the best. Alas?
Thank you.
Say something.
Say something to Sister Emmeline. I will kill you.
What do you say?
Yalla.
Say happy birthday. I miss you.
I saw Emmeline, I thought.
Ishada, yalla. She doesn't know this.
I will come for it. You are on duty.
Yes. Ayos naman to, nag-i-start na oh. Papahabol.
Dito, doon kayo sa bakusan.
Message na kay Ate Emmeline. Bilis.
Kaya na.
Sige na.
Okay. Hi, Pam-Pam.
Sige na.
Ayain.
Thank you so much. I like you. I love you. We are a partner since 5 years. I can't accept. You will go exit. I believe that you are going on vacation and you will come back in my life again. Okay? All the best.
That's all, Sister Beach.
Hi, Ate Ebs. Namimiss kita. Thank you, thank you. I love you. Bye-bye. Good luck.
Thank you, Emeline. Bye.
Ano ba din?
Bye-bye. Yun lang. Hanap ba kami ng trabaho dyan? Yun lang.
Hi, bye-bye, Emmeline. Good luck. God bless. And good luck to whatever endeavors you will have. Bye-bye.
Hi, Emily.
Dapat damihan mo.
Nice working with you. I'm sure you will go to a nice hospital and you will do your best. Good luck.
Hi, Ems, and what will I say? Bon voyage, but and happy birthday, right? It's her birthday. Happy birthday, and I wish you more success in your career, new career in Qatar, and God bless you always. Only advice, wag na masyadong maingay. Okay? So, just keep up the good work still, and I pray for your more blessings to you and your family. Happy birthday.
How are you, Emeline? We will miss you really. We enjoyed your work with us really, and I hope you to enjoy in Philippines with your children, and good luck any place you go. And I want you to forgive me if I cause any discomfort for you. And we will continue friend Facebook, and enjoy your life, and do not forget me. Goodbye.
Really, we will miss you. If you will go anywhere, we will miss you so much. We are here for you. You enjoy in your life. We will pray for you. Really, we are friends here in hospital. But if you will go anywhere, still we are friends. Thank you for everything. Yeah. I don't know what I talk, but I will pray for you. Thank you for everything. Be.
Message for Ate Emmeline. Kalam.
Goodbye, Malin.
Para.
Yeah, Emily. Yayi insisted.
Yan lang, doktora.
Wow, really? Yayi insisted to say something about you, but I don't know what I will tell you because I will miss you too much like that. Because we will connect to each other, not by face, but only by words. It's enough for me and for you. Good luck for you in the new adventure you will go, and please be in contact. Bye.
Hi, Emily. I'm happy to meet you and to work with you. Thank you for everything. May you have good health. مع السلامة. حبيبي.
Ate Ems, ഇവിടെ പോയാലും നിന്റെ കൂടെ എപ്പോഴും ഞങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരുടെയും ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടായിരിക്കും. ദൈവം നിന്നെ സഹായിക്കട്ടെ. Intindihin mo to. Sabi niya daw, mamimiss ka namin. Pero na, miss ചെയ്യുന്നു. എപ്പോഴും നിന്നെ കുറിച്ച് ചോദിക്കുന്നു.
English. Yan. I-translate.
Hindi ko maintindihan paano ko mai-translate.
Jirina miss you, Ishaga. Yan lang.
Jirina will miss you, Sinsi will miss you, and me, and
All of us will miss you.
Or Emmas.
Yes.
Salamat, not salamat. Salamat for the sick.
Salamat means thank you in
Thank you.
Tagalog. Yes.
Masalam.
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 Hi, Sister Emeline. Happy birthday. I miss you. God bless you. I am so happy with together work. God bless you. You are our light in the hospital.
Hi, Sister Emeline. We miss you. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. And for Cincy, you are light. For me, you are the sound of the hospital. We miss our sound. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ems. Good luck and thanks for everything, for being nice.
Yala.
Assalamu alaikum. Okay.
I will miss you, Emeline.
I will miss you, Emeline. And see you inshallah in Qatar.
Hi, Emma. Bye-bye. Masalama. Thank you for everything. See you.
Our lovely and noisy sister, Emeline. We will miss you so much. Don't forget us, please. I wish you luck in your life, inshallah. Bye.
I want to see video of Dr. Amal.
Don't show him our video.
Hello, Emily.
Yala.
We are wish for you good luck, inshallah, and happy life in the future. We will miss you so much. Naughty girl.
I wish I stay with you more, and I wish you have more better life, and good luck.
Assalamu alaikum. I will see you in Qatar, in Doha.
I hope for Emeline, Sister Emeline, which was with us for 6 years here in the hospital, and all people here love her, a good future, and what I say for her, just enjoy in Qatar, and happy birthday.